Tomorrow, Luigi Mangione will be in court in Lower Manhattan. The 27-year-old is accused of murdering the CEO of United Healthcare last December in Midtown. Hearings for Mangione this week will focus on whether certain evidence should be allowed at trial. Alice Gaynor has more on what we can expect in court.
Luigi Mangione's defense attorneys argue statements he made to law enforcement should be suppressed because they claim officers failed to provide Miranda warnings, which is when a suspect is informed of their constitutional rights. The defense also argues evidence seized at the time of his arrest at a McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania, should not be allowed at trial because they claim law enforcement did a warrantless search of his backpack after he was handcuffed and surrounded by officers. Among the items inside that backpack, a gun with 3D printed receiver and ammo, and a red notebook he allegedly used as his diary. One of the entries reads in part, quote, "The target is insurance. It checks every box." There was also a note to the FBI that reads in part, quote, "Frankly, these parasites had it coming." Legal analyst Rich Schoenstein.
The prosecution argues that there was good reason to search the bag immediately because they had to find out if there was anything dangerous in the bag. If you've just arrested somebody who you think has shot a man in the back in the middle of the street, you might be worried about what else is in that bag. And indeed, there was a weapon in that bag. So I think the prosecution has the stronger argument here.
Defense attorneys don't want the notebook entries or other writings put into evidence at these hearings, claiming it will prejudice Mangione if they are made public and potential jurors hear about it. The defense also argues against non-eyewitness identification testimony at trial, meaning someone who was not a witness to an alleged crime who makes an identification from a picture or video. Prosecutors deny the defense's allegations. The defense has also renewed its request for Luigi Mangione to sit unshackled at the defense table. They want at least one hand free so he can write. The hearings are expected to last several days, possibly a week. I'll be in the courtroom bringing you updates throughout the proceedings. Alice Gaynor, CBS News, New York.
And Mangione has pleaded not guilty to 9 charges, including murder. He faces 25 years to life in prison if convicted. Mangione is also facing a federal death penalty trial.